In this exciting video, we dive into the fascinating world of mind-blowing hobbies that have the potential to transform into million-dollar businesses. Have you ever considered that your passion for crafting, gaming, or even gardening could lead to financial success? We'll explore various hobbies that not only bring joy, but also open doors to lucrative opportunities. From turning your love for photography into a thriving online store, to monetizing your cooking skills through a popular food blog, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to be inspired as we showcase real-life success stories of individuals who took their hobbies to the next level, proving that with creativity and determination, anyone can achieve financial freedom. This video aims to motivate you to think outside the box and recognize the wealth-building potential hidden within your everyday activities. So whether you're looking to make a side income or launch a full-fledged business, join us on this journey to discover how your passions can lead to prosperity. Hobby number 1, photography. Photography is not just a creative outlet, it can also be a highly lucrative business. There are numerous avenues to explore within this field, including portrait photography, event photography, and stock photography. Each niche offers unique opportunities to monetize your skills, whether it's capturing cherished moments at weddings or selling stunning images to businesses and publications. To succeed in this competitive market, building a strong portfolio is essential. Your portfolio showcases your style and expertise, making it easier for potential clients to see the value you bring. Additionally, marketing your services effectively is crucial. Utilize social media platforms, create a professional website, and network within your community to attract clients. Investing in quality equipment is another key factor in elevating your photography game. High-quality cameras and lenses can significantly enhance your work. Furthermore, consider enrolling in online courses to refine your skills and learn new techniques. With dedication and the right resources, photography can transform from a hobby into a thriving business. Hobby number 2, blogging. Blogging is a powerful way to share your thoughts and expertise while generating income through various monetization strategies. The first step is to choose a niche that resonates with your audience. Whether it's travel, personal finance, health, or lifestyle, selecting a topic you're passionate about will keep you motivated and engaged. Once you've established your niche, understanding the importance of SEO, search engine optimization, is crucial. By optimizing your content for search engines, you can attract organic traffic and increase your blog's visibility. Additionally, promoting your blog on social media platforms can help you reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your site. Consistency in content creation is key to building a loyal readership. Regularly publishing high-quality posts keeps your audience engaged and encourages them to return for more. Engaging with your readers through comments and social media fosters a sense of community and loyalty. With dedication and the right strategies, blogging can evolve from a simple hobby into a lucrative source of income. Hobby number 3, crafting. Crafting is not just a fun pastime. It can also pave the way for a successful online business. Platforms like Etsy provide a fantastic marketplace for selling handmade goods, allowing crafters to reach a global audience eager for unique, personalized items. Whether you create jewelry, home decor, or custom gifts, there's a niche for every type of craft. To stand out in a crowded market, the importance of branding cannot be overstated. Developing a strong brand identity, complete with a memorable logo and cohesive product presentation, helps attract customers and build trust. Offering unique product offerings that reflect your personal style can also set you apart from competitors. Additionally, tapping into trends and seasonal demands can significantly boost your sales. Keep an eye on popular crafting trends and holidays to create timely products that resonate with buyers. By staying adaptable and responsive to market changes, you can transform your crafting hobby into a thriving online business that brings joy to both you and your customers. Hobby number 4, fitness coaching. Turning your passion for fitness into a coaching business can be incredibly rewarding, both personally and financially. To start, it's essential to obtain the necessary certifications and qualifications that establish your credibility as a fitness coach. Look for accredited programs that cover various aspects of fitness, nutrition, and client management to ensure you're well prepared to guide others on their health journeys. Building a personal brand and online presence is crucial in attracting clients. Utilize social media platforms to share your fitness journey, tips, and success stories, creating a community around your brand. A professional website showcasing your services, testimonials, and contact information can further enhance your visibility and appeal. Networking and collaborating with other fitness professionals can also open doors to new opportunities. Attend workshops, join fitness groups, and connect with fellow coaches to share insights and resources. By fostering relationships within the fitness community, you can expand your reach and establish yourself as a trusted authority in the industry, ultimately turning your fitness passion into a thriving coaching business. Hobby number 5, gardening. Gardening is not only a fulfilling hobby, but also offers numerous opportunities for monetization through various business models. One of the simplest ways to generate income is by selling plants, whether they are houseplants, succulents, or seasonal flowers. Additionally, if you grow fruits and vegetables, consider selling your produce at local farmers markets or through community-supported agriculture, CSA programs. Offering gardening services such as landscape design, maintenance, or consultation can also be a lucrative avenue for those with expertise in the field. As consumers increasingly prioritize sustainability, incorporating organic practices into your gardening approach can set you apart and attract eco-conscious customers. Encouraging viewers to share their gardening journey on social media can further enhance your business. Documenting your progress, sharing tips, and showcasing your products can create a loyal following and generate interest in your offerings. By combining your passion for gardening with entrepreneurial spirit, you can cultivate a successful business that not only brings joy, but also contributes positively to your community. Hobby number 6, cooking or baking. Cooking or baking can be transformed into a profitable business that satisfies both your passion and your wallet. There are numerous avenues to explore, such as catering for events, offering meal prep services for busy individuals, or starting a food blog to share your culinary creations. Each option allows you to showcase your skills while generating income. However, it's crucial to prioritize food safety and adhere to local regulations when starting your culinary venture. Understanding health codes and obtaining necessary permits will ensure that your business operates legally and safely, building trust with your customers. Creativity plays a vital role in attracting customers. Experiment with unique recipes, presentation styles, and flavor combinations that set your offerings apart from the competition. Engaging visuals on social media can also entice potential clients and showcase your culinary artistry. By combining your cooking or baking skills with a solid business strategy, you can create a successful venture that not only delights taste buds, but also brings financial rewards. Hobby number 7, gaming. Gaming has evolved from a simple pastime into a lucrative opportunity for income through streaming and content creation. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube provide gamers with the chance to monetize their gameplay by sharing live streams, tutorials, and entertaining content. By building a dedicated following, you can earn money through subscriptions, donations, and ad revenue, turning your passion into profit. The importance of building a community cannot be overstated. Engaging with your followers through chat interactions, responding to comments, and creating a welcoming environment fosters loyalty and encourages viewers to return. A strong community can significantly enhance your streaming experience and increase your earning potential. Investing in quality streaming equipment is also essential for success. A good microphone, camera, and reliable internet connection can elevate your content and make it more appealing to viewers. By combining your gaming skills with effective community engagement and professional equipment, you can carve out a niche in the gaming world and transform your hobby into a thriving source of income. Hobby number 8, writing. Writing is a versatile hobby that can be monetized through various channels, offering numerous opportunities for aspiring authors and content creators. Freelance writing is a popular option, allowing you to work with clients on articles, blog posts, and marketing materials. Additionally, self-publishing your work, whether it's fiction, nonfiction, or poetry, can provide a direct path to earning income from your writing. Content creation for websites and social media is another avenue, where your words can engage audiences and drive traffic. To succeed in these endeavors, honing your writing skills is crucial. Practice regularly, seek feedback, and continuously improve your craft. Finding a niche that resonates with your interests and expertise can also help you stand out in a competitive market. Networking with other writers and joining writing communities can provide valuable support and resources. Engaging with fellow writers can lead to collaboration opportunities, mentorship, and insights into the industry. By combining your passion for writing with strategic efforts, you can turn your hobby into a rewarding and profitable career. Hobby number 9, music production. Music production is an exciting hobby that can be transformed into a profitable venture with various avenues to explore. One of the most popular paths is producing tracks for artists, where you can collaborate and help bring their musical visions to life. Additionally, creating beats for sale or licensing your music for use in films, commercials, and video games can generate significant income. Networking is crucial in the music industry, as building relationships with other producers, artists, and industry professionals can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Attend music events, join online forums, and connect with fellow musicians to expand your network and gain valuable insights. Continuous learning and experimentation are essential for growth in music production. Explore different genres, techniques, and software to refine your skills and discover your unique sound. By staying adaptable and open to new ideas, you can enhance your production capabilities and carve out a niche in the competitive music landscape, ultimately turning your passion for music into a thriving business. Hobby number 10, digital art. Digital art is a vibrant and dynamic hobby that offers numerous opportunities for monetization through various platforms. Artists can sell their creations on sites like Redbubble or Society6, where their designs can be printed on a wide range of products, from apparel to home decor. This allows artists to reach a global audience and earn passive income from their artwork. Building an online portfolio is essential for showcasing your work and attracting potential buyers. A well-curated portfolio highlights your unique style and skills, making it easier for clients to see your value. Additionally, establishing a strong social media presence can help you connect with fans and promote your art effectively. Collaboration with other artists can also enhance your visibility and creativity. Participating in online challenges or art contests can provide exposure and inspire new ideas. By engaging with the digital art community and continuously refining your craft, you can turn your passion for digital art into a successful and rewarding business venture. In this video, we explored the exciting potential of turning hobbies into profitable businesses, highlighting various avenues such as photography, blogging, crafting, fitness coaching, cooking, gaming, writing, music production, and digital art. The key takeaways for viewers to remember include the importance of building a strong portfolio, engaging with communities, and continuously honing your skills. Each hobby offers unique opportunities for monetization, and with dedication and creativity, you can transform your passion into a thriving venture. We encourage you to explore your interests and take the first steps toward monetization. Whether it's starting a blog, selling your artwork, or offering services in your field, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video inspiring, please subscribe to our channel, like, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Don't forget to check out our related content for more tips and strategies on turning your passions into successful businesses. Your journey to financial freedom and fulfillment starts now. Take action today.